Even if you are not in this tradition and if you do not have a teacher, even by your effort, sincere effort, a time might come when wisdom dawns, exactly like Saul became St. Paul on the way to Damascus. It is by the grace of God. But that grace comes when you have learnt that something which is called ascending force, how to use all your human efforts. And when you are tired, when you don't find the way, when you say, now I cannot do anything. My little body, with all my vigor, power, my limited mind I have used, my breath I have used, all my resources I have used. Now I don't go anywhere, I find a plateau. There dawns that wisdom which helps you, leads you to the other shore of life. So when you talk of grace, you know, when there is a law of equality, where is the place of grace then? It means, the place of grace means when you have done your efforts with mind, action and speech, and even then if you are not successful and you cry like Kanav Rishi of Vedas. That's why he's called Kanav, means he used to cry. He cried, bitterly cried, that I have made all the efforts. And after making all the efforts, I have not attained anything, my Lord. Suddenly, the field of mind expanded, and you go beyond the unconscious to the domain of peace and happiness within you.